Hey everyone, this is Alex USA Days, and we're continuing locating web elements for automation, XPath, CSS, and Playwright. So today we're going to talk briefly about CSS versus XPath and which one we should use. Now this is module 7, and after that we're going to go into the Playwright locators. So CSS selectors and XPath are the two most commonly used strategies for locating elements in automation tools like Selenium and Playwright. Each has its own strengths, weaknesses, and appropriate use cases. CSS selector strengths. So CSS selectors are faster than XPath in most modern browsers because they are optimized for performance. They are built to render and manipulate CSS. They're easier to read and maintain compared to XPath for basic and moderately complex element hierarchies. CSS selectors are reliable and tied to specific elements via attributes like ID or class, which enhances stability. Some disadvantages of CSS selectors. Their lack of text matching support. CSS selectors also can struggle in handling dynamic content or elements with deeply nested structures, especially when IDs or classes are not unique or reliable. For the XPath, so XPath strings are XPath supports text matching, enabling you to locate elements based on their visible text content using functions like text or contains. XPath can traverse in all directions in DOM, up, down, and sideways, allowing access to parent, ancestor, or sibling nodes, which is not possible with CSS selectors. XPath works well with nested or dynamically generated HTML structures due to its flexible querying capabilities. XPath weaknesses. XPath is slower compared to CSS selectors in most browsers as it's more computationally intensive. Overuse of XPath for straightforward cases can lead to overly verbose locators, reducing maintainability. And relying on text locators can be problematic for pages that support multiple languages, as the text content may vary depending on the user's language settings, making XPath less reliable for multilingual applications. So, what are the best ways to approach CSS versus XPath locator selection? Adhere to the established guidelines for locators within your organization to maintain consistency across test suites. Use CSS selectors when the DOM structure is simple and attributes like ID or class are unique. Use XPath when the text-based locators are required. Use meaningful attribute-based locators to improve test readability and resilience. You can use both XPath and CSS selectors to create a better fit if one approach alone doesn't fully meet the requirements. Combining locators allow you to leverage the strengths of each: CSS for simplicity and speed, XPath for flexibility and complex DOM traversals. Always prioritize company standards for locator strategies and aim to enhance them with the best practices that balance reliability, performance, and maintainability. Okay, and that's it. This is my take on CSS versus XPath. This was Alex USA Days. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.